your questions, and Chelsea is ready to answer them. So the floor is now open for the questions from the table.
Hello, kabayan ng Chelsea.
Hello.
Congratulations.
Hello.
My question is, what did you learn from your Miss Universe journey in Mexico?
Wow, madami kang matututunan when you go there. Not just in the competition, but with yourself. Very strong yung personality ko naman. I'm not afraid of anything. Kaya sa lagi ko sinasabi, I never get afraid of anything. But the biggest lesson is that, there's so much more for you. There's so much dream for you. Even if you go beyond Miss Universe, there will always be a direction that is coming your way. So no matter where this universe has taken me, it's just the beginning. So yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi Chelsea, this is from the Inquirer. I'd like to know, how transformational is this Miss Universe journey for you?
Transformational in so many ways. I think ito na yung new era nila, bringing the continental peace. So it's an opportunity and a gateway for more women to make it, to win in Miss Universe. It doesn't just come to Miss Universe itself, but within yourself. Transformational because I think I've already been that woman that has brought that power and influence for so many women. You can be much more than just Miss Universe.
Thank you very much for the honor you gave us. Congratulations.
Hi Chelsea, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
Thank you for the honor that you brought. Okay, by the way, I'm Nolly for OPM. So, this is the first time that the Miss Universe pageant gathered more than 100 candidates. 128 kids, huh?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. How was your experience? Nagkaroon ka ba ng ilang time para makapag-bonding at makapag-usap doon at other 100%?
I don't think I had the chance to talk to the 128 girls, but if I do, baka kalahati lang. But yeah, there's so many girls this year. I am extremely happy and honored that I am part of that. I'm part of this edition now of these girls. Very powerful, very strong, very beautiful. You learn so many from these women from all walks of life, mothers, single moms, married, single, everyone. So, hindi masyado lahat, but yeah, I'm still glad that there were still some girls who would come up and say hello to me.
Okay, pero ba? Ano lang, follow-up lang. Clarification lang po sa title mo, Miss Universe Asia. Does it mean na, halimbawa, nag-travel to Victoria within Asia, part na obligation mo na kasama ka sa entourage niya?
Well, they said that we are a part of the entourage of the new Miss Universe Victoria, but we don't have a specific schedule kasi kung kailan namin siya sasamahan, kung saan kami pupunta. But the main purpose of Miss Universe Asia, the Continental Peace, is to go around the globe, working with the charities with special causes of projects as your own title.
Oh, thank you so much.
Salamat.
Congratulations.
Hey, mabuhay.
Mabuhay.
I'm Albert
Kamusta?
from Chicanes. Yung question ko is, can you walk us through yung mga naging strategies mo for the pageant, like revealing the campusal walk, doon sa grand finals na, tapos yung gown, like ginamit mo for the preliminaries?
Siguro, I've always, siguro meron akong moment na, syempre panto yung, titignan mo yung ibang candidates, i-notice mo kung paano sila on stage, and then you try to do your own technique. So, when we were doing the rehearsals, we have the whole stage plotted to us kung saan kami lalabas, what are you going to do. Honestly, when we knew about the whole choreography, it was kind of sad kasi we had to couple us in that stage. And there's 128 girls. So you try your best to be seen, to be known, mag-stand out ka doon. And my strategy there is to always be different. Ikaw yung makikita nilang iba. So through preliminaries, I guess everyone saw the gown there. We were all going out in groups. So I was so glad, pero also sad at the same time. Kasi nabawasan kami ng girls, so medyo na-adjust siya. So instead of going from the stage, I was going in the middle. So mas may momentum of turn. So when I knew immediately that I was gonna go there, I spin as much as I can. You only have a little time. Kasi imagine there's 128 girls. They only give us a moment and a second lang to be seen on camera. So I tried my very best to spin as much as I can. Kasi of course you're standing out. I have that whole gown that everyone would not expect. I don't know kung na-expect nyo ba yun, di ba? No one would know about that, but you do techniques to always stand out. And at the same time, with your pasarela, with the Tampisa walk, I think everyone knew about that with my stint with Miss Universe Philippines. But doing that on an international stage, everybody was waiting for it. Even the co-candidates was asking me to do it, but mga behind the scenes, I would teach them about it. They know the Tampisa walk. So for them to see that on the international stage, I couldn't be more proud because now everyone knows about it. You're definitely standing out. It's not really a hidden technique, but it's pretty seen naman there. Like you want to make it known when you're already performing.
Hi Chelsea, congratulations on the crown, Philippines. To be fair, nakakamiss ang Mexico. Yeah. So it was on one of our videos where you and Miss Kirby coined yourselves as Kirby Queens. Now, and you definitely established a friendship. Now I just wonder what you girls were talking about inside the room or behind the camera just by yourselves, because of course at home you were one of the favorites. I'm sure you girls know that, so you can share.
I'm not going to try to expose everything with me and Tati, pero Tati has been so amazing. She's a really beautiful soul and a human being, a friend to me and ate now to me. Whenever we would go in the room, we would always talk about, how we perform outside. She loves it when she sees the Filipino fans saying hi to her. I think the crowd, she knows the crowd. She's really happy with the whole fans, how supportive they are with us. It came so sudden, pero please, and it was just really us, nung una, and everybody knew about it. Everyone loved the Pero Queens. And whenever we're together, we would just have fun. We would talk about, how our days are going. Sometimes, meron kami mga unmatched moments clothing na minsan nagsasayal kami sa isa't isa. She's wearing this, I'm wearing that. Yeah, yung mga ganun moments na literally like a sisterhood when we were inside the room and behind the scenes.
Follow-up question now, just talking about your styling, because many have coined this edition as a lobby fashion show, kind of Miss Universe, but you girls were able to still showcase your style. Diba? Which of your iconic, like let's say your dresses or OOTDs did you love the most?
I really like the one that I was wearing yellow. Kasi nag-stand out talaga yung color ko. I think everyone loved that as well. We were having a dinner kasi outside. I wish I didn't wear that kasi I was not prepared. Ang lamig talaga sa Mexico, so backless pa yun. But I really liked it because of how it flows. It really shines my personality, yung color, yung skin tone mo, labas na. So, thank you.
Hi Chelsea, I'm Edge, of Psychology. So, natanong na ni Christian yung first question ko, yung favorite ng OOTD. So, my question is, as a first Black Miss Universe Philippines, gaano kasarap suot ang Philippine sash sa Miss Universe stage?
The color doesn't really matter when you're a Filipino. Being an African descent and a Filipino really is an honor kasi I have that inside me all the time. I always consider myself as a Filipino. It doesn't really matter whether you're white or black, whatever religion it is. But being on stage and representing our sash, the Philippines, nakakataba ng puso. I did not feel alone at all. That's why I was so excited. That's why I was telling Sergio, I was so excited to go to Mexico because I can feel the warmth, the support ng bawat Filipino. Imagine I was from the airport pa lang to Mexico. I saw Filipinos kahit saan ako magpunta and they were cheering me on. So for you to be on that stage, wala eh, gusto mo na lang talaga mag-perform kasi you were so excited. You feel the honor. And now you're gonna tell me how does it feel. Again, I don't know how I can tell you all, pero sana ma-share ko sa inyo. And if you ever felt so happy in your life, ganun yung nararamdaman ko kasi it's an achievement that I have for myself and for the community. Kasi ito naman pangarap ko ba, yung pangarap ko to para sa inyo. So for me to make it happen, to make it to almost half or more than half of the whole candidate of 128 girls, you couldn't be more proud of yourself. And to bring an honor and historical winning moment for the country, then I'm sharing it to you, to everyone, na ito na yung opening natin for more opportunities for women.
Sa tingin mo, girl, saan kaya yung next venue ng Miss Universe? Yan, ano yung makalap mo, girl?
May mga
Asia?
speculations, but we don't know. I mean, definitely it can change. Hindi naman laging constant ang idea where they can perform. Pero sana, hopefully, they can bring it here in the Philippines.
Wow, thank you, girl.
Hi, Mars. Franz Ivan from Mars France. My question is, since 4 days ka na dito, how was it? Kamusta yung mga guesting mo? Like nakita namin mayroon kang TV Patrol, and at the same time, pasok ni Tito Boy Aguda. Ano pa yung share mo sa amin with regards to this media week of yours?
Okay, so 4 days pala, not proper sleep, but I'm eating good. Kumakain na ako ulit ng kanin, so masaya na ako ulit. It has been amazing. The media week has been amazing. I love it. I always tell people how much I love being out there talking, being engaged with people. I've been telling the whole organization, I need to do more talking videos. I want to be more out there and outgoing, helping the people, and as much as I can. This whole media week, sana kayanin natin, but it's a crumpled time. We're trying to adjust everything that we can kasi it's going to be hectic for sure, lalo na for next year. There will be a lot to expect. Miss Universe is happening, Miss Universe Philippines is happening again so soon, so there will be a lot of opportunities, projects that will be coming. Yung TV, guesting, hosting, honestly, ang saya nun. It has been a fulfilling dream again. The little Chelsea, na minsan inisip niya, she would be talking in front of a camera. Dream ko na makapasok si Tito Boy, happen again. Pero nakakababa din because you don't know what he can ask you. Yeah, it's been amazing. Media week will be for the entirety until we make it to the homecoming parade, which will happen on December 20, starting somewhere in Manila, then ending tayo sa SM Mall of Asia.
Magiging Tito Boy Aguda ako mali sa'yo.
Ay, sige. Ako.
Kamusta ang puso mo, Chelsea?
Ay, puso natin ay masaya-masaya. Oo. I couldn't be more happy to be back home in the Philippines. Diba?
Thank you, Chelsea. And
When you feel at home, it's love.
thank you.
Hello, Chelsea. I'm here.
Oh.
First and foremost, congratulations. Thank you so much for being invited to our country. Let's talk about the Miss Universe Asia. The title of Miss Universe Asia is already being determined after the preliminary competition. Were you informed about that or sinabi na sa'yo during the coronation night?
So no one told us na after preliminaries, that's when they choose the continental piece. But behind the cameras, when we would be on our rehearsal, I remember one of the rehearsal days namin, the owners of Miss Universe, Miss Kunan and Sir Raul was there to give us a really beautiful speech, and they briefed us on how it's going to happen, how winning Miss Universe is going to happen, what they want to choose for Miss Universe, and there will be continental queens. So we know about that they will present continental queens, but we never knew that, oh, it's after prelims pala. But I guess winning Miss Universe Asia, I did pretty well siguro sa prelims or closed door interview ko kasi that is your time to shine. that is the time when the judges can really know you, your personality, how they can work well with you, with other people. It's not just the judges. You have to go beyond the judges, how you can present yourself to the audience. So for me to be there and present myself, and I guess that's really my best asset to win the Miss Universe Asia. I couldn't be more proud and happy that, we're really honored now.
And just to follow up, what was your reaction since this, actually, we won back-to-back national costume, best in national costume. What was your reaction when you heard about that?
Siyempre, honor yun. Masaya ako na, alam mo yun, yung national costume mo, makikita siya ng entire universe, ng global mass na, oh, this is the national costume that the Philippines wore. Hindi naman siya just for me, but again, it's a story that I want to relate to everyone, how the community of the Filipinos are in relationship with the Spanish people, yung story mo. So, back-to-back win, I guess, we can do more, we can present more. Maybe next year, triple na to, di ba?
That's nice. Last question. Since Miss Universe Philippines Bulacan is currently looking for the next winner, what is your message to the fellow Bulacan who will participate next year?
I hope that the winner of Miss Universe Bulacan can always be an outgoing person, not afraid to be who she is. Kasi iba naman talaga pag taga-Bulacan ka, you're not afraid of anything. You're strong, you're willed, and you're powerful. But this goes beyond. This goes beyond to the Miss Universe Philippines or Miss Universe Bulacan, but to the whole girls who are watching right now. And if you really want to be a queen, it's your dream. You have to be powerful enough to chase your dream, not afraid to be there, outgoing, not afraid to say no. If you feel like you're saying no, then I hope it's for the better because it's you, it's your personality. You have to show your authentic self. That's how you can relate to the people.
Thank you. Congratulations, Chelsea Manalo.
Hello, Chelsea. Congratulations.
Hello.
We share the vote from the parish of Antipolo. You went there before you left for Mexico.
Yes.
Until now, it is being liked by many. Are you a devotee of Our Lady of Antipolo?
I am not, but I went there because I was also invited by Sir Manny Halasan and Father Nante. So the story kasi of me going there was through Manny Halasan. Sir Manny, I think the main position of crown, this Lady Virgin Mary natin in Antipolo. And then fast pacing forward, I was a friend of Manny. Nanalo tayo ng Miss Universe Philippines. So it's kind of like a relationship that even if nandun siya, now we're giving back the crown. And we went there, we got a blessing. So, yeah.
I see. And the next question is, does the Miss Universe Asia title, do you have to sign a contract or do you get prizes aside from the sash?
So we already have a contract. We are part of Miss Universe or the JKN agency for a whole year. This is the contract that we are working now as our title with Continental Queens. With the other briefing of what goes beyond that, we really haven't known yet. I think there will be more to come for sure because they're still on the work with the new Miss Universe Victoria.
Hi, Chelsea. Congratulations. I'm Mark Calabas, Celebrate International. So, my question is, since you have fulfilled one of your dreams, representing the Philippines in the international arena, so what's next dream that you wanted to achieve?
Singer na ba to? Diba? We don't know. There's so much opportunities eh. Ito na yung opportunity mo to go beyond that. You are reinventing yourself. You're not just a big thing itself. Pero madami pa. So I don't really know where life will take me, but if there will be, the opportunity will come to me, then I'm going to grab that.
Chelsea, Miss Chelsea.
Chelsea
from Chelsea.
Hi, Chelsea.
Face to face. Face to face.
Hello, Chelsea. For the benefit of those who missed your fast talk with Boy Abuya Gaskin, how would you answer the final question? Miss Universe has inspired many generations of women. What would you tell them, those who are watching right now?
Honestly, it's the same naman na nasabi ko kay Sir Boy Abunda, or Tito Boy Abunda na, I've always been inspired of the Miss Universe. I am also a woman that has been inspired. But it's about time that we are a woman that brings a fair game to the community, that we are making historical changes for the next generation and pave a pathway for them who are looking up to us. And you have to always remind yourself that you have to be kind, beautiful, and you are strong-willed for you to have your own beautiful.
Thank you so much to all our media who answered for beautifully answering the questions. Now we will have our photo op with the entire team and with Chelsea.